Do you love pizza? I sure do. But what if I told you there's a pizza out there that costs more than many cars? Yup, you heard that right. Get ready to meet the Louis XIII Pizza, the most expensive pizza in the world. So what makes this pizza so special? Well, it costs around $12,000 and is made by the world-renowned chef Renato Viola in Italy. But before you think this is a joke, stick with me because what comes next is going to blow your mind. Why does this pizza cost so much? Let's break it down. It's made with sturgeon albino caviar, the rarest and most expensive in the world. It also includes white truffles from Alba, which are super hard to find, and of course, mozzarella di bufala, the creamiest and most delicious cheese Italy has to offer. Oh, and let's not forget about that finishing touch, edible gold. Yes, you heard it right, gold on your pizza. This pizza is not just thrown together. It's handcrafted with such precision and care. You can tell it's made by someone who's all about luxury. Every ingredient is carefully selected, and the process is as exclusive as the flavor. Why is it so expensive? So why does it cost so much? Well, it's not just about the ingredients. It's the entire experience. You get Cristal champagne to pair with it, a sommelier to guide your wine choices, and a setting that makes you feel like absolute royalty. This is a meal that's more than just eating. It's a lifestyle. Now think about it. Would you really spend $12,000 on a pizza? The Louis XIII Pizza isn't just a meal. It's a luxury experience that could change your whole perspective on what gourmet pizza is. We're talking caviar, edible gold, rare truffles, and a glass of Cristal champagne to top it off. Now that's a meal fit for royalty. So, next time you think about ordering pizza, just remember, there's pizza, and then there's luxury pizza. Would you spend a fortune on a single slice, or are you sticking to the classic pepperoni? Drop a comment below and let me know. Does the taste justify the price? If you enjoyed this video and were as shocked as I was, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more luxury food curiosities. See you in the next video.